Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a Richard Petty 1964 Plymouth Belvedere. This is a Lindberg kit, 125 scale. Kit number 72164. Features include opening hood, detailed chassis with complete suspension, chrome plated parts, detailed engine, vinyl tires, detailed interior. And this particular kit came out 1997. There's the back. This is another one of them goofy boxes, like a donut box, whatever you want to call it. So let's get right into this one today. Hope you all are having a great day. Let's see, we have the front bumper. And the front grille, I think it goes that way. Yeah, it looks about right. Little front trim piece for the hood. Rear bumper with a little bit of pitting on it. Doesn't look like the pitting was done, the plating, it doesn't look like the plating was done all that great on this particular bumper. Here's a shifter. Back of the alternator. Door handles and the carburetor. Up here we have some big old Hemi valve covers and the dashboard. And 221 here I think is a gas cap, fuel cap. Alright, here's the body. Looking pretty nice, molded in white. One thing I like about the Lindberg kits is they don't seal the bags, they just kind of fold them over. Makes it a lot easier to get into. And here we have nice thickness, nice straight looking body. It says Belvedere right there. I don't think the camera will be able to pick that up. Could use a little bit better scribing in of the door, so you can see the lines a little better. Same with the trunk. Other than that, it's beautiful. A little bit of flash there, no biggie. Absolutely nothing on the back side other than some injection mold pin release marks. Say that 5 times fast. There's front end. Alright. And here we have, I'll do this first. I'll go ahead and do the windshield first since it's right here. I'll leave it in the bag. Have the windshield with molded in sun visors, the rear window, and some quarter glass. And headlights. This is a double headlight vehicle. Now, classic 43 numbers for Richard Petty himself. Some nice gauges. Some sponsored decals. Plymouth, Patterson Motors. And Richard right there, that's a cool one. Alrighty, moving right along. Another bag of white parts with a big chunk of tape on it. I'll go ahead and cut it. That way I got them scissors out for a reason. A lot of parts here, boy. This is really heavy. Okay, first up we have the interior tub. And the side panels that have, I had them backwards, have decent amount of detail on them. Kind of basic, but I mean you can see everything really nice, well defined. Dashboard where that big chrome piece will go, and then you can stick the decals over top of it. Here's the chassis. Got a little piece of flash on there from a tree, not a flash, but an actual piece of a tree. We'll go ahead and toss that, and the rest of it looks really nice. Nice and straight, very nice thickness. Bottom has got minimal detail, but enough there. Okay. This tree has got one seat, and the backing for the seat, some exhaust, and the mufflers and that'll exhaust out the side of the vehicle from the bottom. Here's the wheel parts. I like the way this kit is laid out so far. Everything seems to make sense. All the wheel stuff is on one tree. Interior's in one. Here's the suspension. This is the tail panel of the car, so you're going to make sure you put that in the car before you paint it. K-frame member, the rear axle, radiator, air, shock absorbers, sway bar, cross member for the transmission, leaf springs, steering wheel, drive shaft, and a couple other little shafts here. These are torsion bars. They go over here. Very nice. Nice thickness on all these parts too. These are real heavy duty. Here's steel wheels, made of plastic of course, seat belts, fire extinguisher, a little snorkel air breather thing, I think that is. Let's see what number that is. Number 35. That could be a seat back or a side of the seat. I have to look at that when we get into the instructions. Number 35. Parts of the roll cage, license plates, and mock headlights, I believe those are. And here we have the engine, starter, oil pan, big old air cleaner, intake manifold, front of the timing chain cover and the water pump, fan belt pulley system, nice 7-bladed fan, little master cylinder there, distributor, fuel pump, coolant hose, 2 of these little guys here, I don't know what they are, number 15. Number 15, we'll look at those when we get inside, and then fuel tank when we get into the instructions. Here's the hood. Back of the hood, minimal detail. You can see some stuff. Here are the foot pedals, brake, clutch, brake, parking brake, clutch, service brake. Nice big old battery. Firewall. Radiator core support, inner fender wells, hood hinges. That's it for parts. Then we have wheels. Let's see what they are all about. Very nice, guys. Oh man, I really like these wheels. Tires. I dropped one. Hold on a sec. They're Goodyears. Very nice tread on them. Look like they're directional treads, so you're going to pay attention to that when you put them on the kit. Very cool. Black weld on both sides. Very nice. And then, last but not least, we have the instructions. Now, let's see if we can remember what those part numbers were that we're trying to figure out. No writing on the car itself, but of course, we have the internet. You can find out all kinds of information on there yourself if you'd like. Put your engine together all the way through. Oh, it goes across. Part of the exhaust. Drive shaft, radiator. Nice, nice. They make it look easy, don't they? Oh, yep, that one piece, number 35, is the side of the driver's seat. They call it a bolster. Okay, that one mystery solved. Oh, and the other parts. Nope, not those yet. Oh, gosh, I'm thinking they go on the windshield or the back window. Let's see. Yep, here they are. They're the bars for the rear window to help support the window from being blown out. Alright. I'm glad to see I remembered those. That's a nice looking kit. Here's some tips on painting and the final product. Very nice. Well, alrighty everyone. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please remember to check out all my other videos if you're so inclined. And have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.